those people who hate my guts, but is sitting in a quiet place listening to my show.
That 2065 Walton Avenue is for the formerly homeless, veterans, and for the LGBT youth community.
Police was outside of my building, so they already seen what was going on. But she walked out. I like, listen, my nigga, I was trying to run after her, my nigga. Listen. She went in the elevator, and I run down the stairs like this, nigga. I'm coming out like, shit. Yo, my hands burning, my eyes burning. Like, nigga, I was coughing like a motherfucker. You know, you get pepper sprayed.
He needs some milk.
That shit fuck up your whole immune system, your whole up here, your lungs. Y'all was coughing like a motherfucker. I was coughing my lungs out. Nigga, I must have coughed out some blood.
Nigga, when?
Cause y'all know I had COVID, right? Y'all know I had COVID. I just got over COVID for a little while, right? I just got over COVID, right? So, you know, when you got COVID, a lot of shit come out of you when you cough.
Hey Rashid, I don't think that's COVID. I never heard of anyone coughing up blood and other shit from COVID.
So I fucked around. Since I got pepper sprayed, I coughed out blood. I was coughing so much, I coughed out blood.
Some milk.
So the police was in a patrol car. You understand? They was in a patrol car outside. So they was like, yo, you all right? You all right, sir? Y'all saw that girl that walked out that building? Go get her ass. Assaulted. But I got embarrassed. Everybody in my building was laughing at me. From the females to the niggas. They was laughing at me because they like, oh shit, this nigga got bothered by a chick. Go get that girl, man. Go get her.
Between TV, thank y'all for watching. Man, listen, I really appreciate y'all, man. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Tell a friend. Get your boy to 10K. Live's coming soon, 2023. Let's go.